September 23 nang nagkaroon ng tune-up game ang Hiroshima Dragonflies, pero hindi nga naglaro sina Kai Sotto, Evans, Balchier at Nick Mayo. September 24 naglabas ng official statement ang Hiroshima Dragonflies sa kanilang official website. Ayon sa General Manager ng Hiroshima na si Shuji Okazaki, nais kong ipaalam ang kasalukuyan na katayuan ng kupunan tungkol sa injury kahapon ng 3 na naturalized players at pagkatalo ng Hiroshima Dragonflies for the first tune-up game at Emperor Cup All Japan Basketball Champ. Nais kong ipaalam ang kasalukuyan na katayuan ng kupunan tungkol sa injury kahapon ng 3 na naturalized players. Ito nga ang naging statement ng General Manager ng Hiroshima regarding the injury situation. Fortunately, the 3 naturalized players, jersey number 13, Evans, jersey number 8, Balchier, jersey number 24, Nick Mayo, have minor injury and are expected to make an early return. So they are conditioned for the start of the league. Para naman sa ating pambato na si Kai Sotto, ito naman ang naging pahayag ng kupunan. As for jersey number 11 Sotto, the timing of his return is undetermined and the various constant. So we have not decided what adjustment will be made this point. May plano din pala ang kupunan na kumuha ng panandalian pamalit sa ating pambato na si Kai Sotto. Sino kaya ang isang Asian player na gustong gawing short-term reinforcement ng Hiroshima Dragonfly?